Hey there, before starting, important info. This video is AI generated and created purely for informational purposes. We encourage you to focus more on listening than watching to get the most out of the content. Welcome back to my channel, investors. Buckle up, because we've got some exciting news to share with you today. Tesla's at it again, folks. The electric car giant is making headlines and turning heads. The electric car maker saw its stock surge a massive 22% recently. That's right, 22%. This kind of jump is not something you see every day. This stock is like a rocket ship, and we're all just trying to hang on for the ride. It's exhilarating, it's fast-paced, and it's showing no signs of slowing down. So what's behind this latest surge? What has investors so excited and optimistic about Tesla's future? Well, it all comes down to one thing: earnings. Tesla's latest quarterly earnings report blew past analyst expectations. Tesla blew past analyst expectations and the market went wild. We're talking record revenue, record profits, the whole shebang. This isn't just a minor beat, it's a significant outperformance. This isn't just a blip on the radar, folks. This is a clear signal that Tesla is not only meeting but exceeding market expectations. This is Tesla showing the world that it's here to stay. The company is solidifying its position as a leader in the electric vehicle market. The electric vehicle revolution is happening, and it's happening fast. More and more consumers are making the switch to electric, and Tesla is at the forefront of this movement, and Tesla is leading the charge. With innovative technology, a strong brand, and a visionary leader, Tesla is paving the way for a sustainable future. Hold on tight, because things are about to get interesting. The future of transportation is electric, and Tesla is driving us there at full speed. Stay tuned, because this ride is far from over. Let's talk about that earnings report for a second. Tesla's latest earnings report has sent shockwaves through the financial world, capturing the attention of analysts and investors alike. Tesla's single-day gain was one for the history books. The stock surged dramatically, marking one of the most significant increases we've seen in recent times. We're talking billions of dollars added to the company's market cap in just a few hours. This kind of growth is unprecedented and speaks volumes about the market's confidence in Tesla's future. It was a frenzy of buying as investors piled into the stock. The trading floor was abuzz with activity, with traders scrambling to get their hands on Tesla shares. Everyone wanted a piece of the action. From seasoned investors to newcomers, the excitement was palpable. People were celebrating their successful trades, thrilled to be part of this historic moment. And who can blame them? Tesla is the hottest company on the planet right now. Its innovative approach and groundbreaking technology have made it a favorite among investors and consumers alike. But here's the thing, this wasn't just a random surge. This wasn't a fluke or a one-off event. There were solid reasons behind this massive uptick in Tesla's stock price. This was the culmination of months of positive news and growing momentum. Tesla has been consistently delivering on its promises, and the market has been responding accordingly. Tesla has been firing on all cylinders lately. The company's production lines have been running at full capacity, churning out vehicles to meet the ever-growing demand. The company is ramping up production, expanding into new markets, and developing cutting-edge technology. Tesla's international expansion has opened up new opportunities, and its technological advancements continue to set it apart from the competition. This latest earnings report was just the icing on the cake. It confirmed what many had already suspected, that Tesla is not just a car company, but a technological powerhouse with a bright future ahead. Investors are excited, and the world is watching closely to see what Tesla will do next. Now let's talk technicals for a minute. Tesla's stock chart has been forming a very interesting pattern over the past 30 months, a pennant pattern. For you chart newbies out there, a pennant pattern is a bullish signal. It suggests that the stock is consolidating after a big move higher. And guess what? That's exactly what Tesla has been doing. The stock surged higher in the second half of 2021, and it's been consolidating those gains ever since. But here's the kicker: pennant patterns are often followed by another big move higher. So what does this mean for Tesla? Well, it could mean that the stock is about to break out to new all-time highs. Exciting stuff, right? Now let's talk about some key price levels to watch. The $260 level is crucial. This is the level that Tesla broke out from when it surged higher in 2021. As long as the stock stays above $260, the bulls are in control. But if it breaks below that level, it could signal that the rally is over. So keep a close eye on $260. But there's another level that's even more important, $270. This is the level that Tesla needs to break above to confirm the pennant pattern breakout. If Tesla can close above $270, it's off to the races. the Break-Even Brigade. Now let's talk about investor sentiment for a second. It's a fascinating aspect of the stock market that often gets overlooked. One of the most interesting things about this recent rally is the psychology of the break-even traders. These traders have a unique mindset that significantly impacts market dynamics. These are the investors who bought Tesla at much higher prices, often during the peak of market euphoria. They believed in the long-term potential of the stock and were willing to take the risk. However, as the market corrected, they found themselves sitting on big losses for months, even years. The emotional toll of seeing their investments underwater cannot be understated. They've been waiting for the stock to rebound, holding on to hope that one day they would see their investments return to their original value, so they can finally get out of the red. This hope has kept them in the game, despite the market's volatility and the constant barrage of negative news. And guess what? A lot of them are finally starting to break even. This moment is a significant psychological milestone for these investors. This is creating a lot of upward pressure on the stock as these traders are finally able to sell without taking a loss. The relief and excitement are palpable. As these traders start to sell, it creates a wave of activity in the market. The increased volume can lead to more volatility, but also more opportunities for other traders. But here's the thing, what happens when all these break-even traders are gone? Will the rally continue? That's the million-dollar question. The market's future direction will depend on new buyers stepping in and the overall economic conditions. It's a complex interplay of factors that keeps everyone guessing. What's next for Tesla? So, what's next for Tesla? That's the question on everyone's mind. The stock is at a critical juncture. If it can break above $270, the sky's the limit. But if it fails to break out, we could see a pullback. The next few weeks are going to be very telling. I'm watching closely, and you should too. Remember, Tesla is a volatile stock. It's not for the faint of heart, but for those who can stomach the ups and downs, it can be a very rewarding investment. Time to buy or sell? Now I know what you're thinking. Should I buy Tesla stock now? Well, that's a question only you can answer. It depends on your risk tolerance, your investment goals, and your overall financial situation. But here's what I will say. Tesla is a company with a bright future. It's leading the electric vehicle revolution, and it's well-positioned for continued growth. If you believe in the long-term story, then this recent pullback could be a buying opportunity. But remember, don't invest more than you can afford to lose. The Musk Factor. Let's not forget about the Elon Musk Factor. The man is a visionary, a genius, and a bit of a wild card. His tweets can move markets, and his antics can make headlines. Some investors love him, some investors hate him, but there's no denying that he's a major force in the market. As long as Musk is at the helm of Tesla, anything is possible. He's got that it factor, the charisma, the ability to make people believe in his vision. And that's a powerful thing in the world of investing. The EV revolution rolls on. But here's the thing, Tesla's success isn't just about Elon Musk, it's about the electric vehicle revolution. This is a global trend that's only going to get bigger in the years to come. Governments around the world are pushing for cleaner transportation. Consumers are becoming more environmentally conscious, and technology is advancing at a rapid pace. Tesla is at the forefront of this revolution, and it's well-positioned to benefit from its continued growth. Buckle up! So buckle up, investors. Tesla's wild ride is far from over. This is a stock that's going to continue to make headlines and generate excitement for years to come. Whether you're a bull or a bear, you can't deny that Tesla is one of the most exciting and innovative companies in the world. Stay tuned, folks. Things are about to get interesting. Now, what do you think? Will Tesla break above $270? Let me know in the comments below.